Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you the chatbot about book the trip. Like you can book your trip online using this chatbot. So in this video, in the first part, I show you how the demo of the chatbot and tell you how to use it. And in the second part, I will tell you how to make it and how to integrate it with any app. So this is my Facebook page. I integrate my chatbot with the Facebook. So here is some invalid imports. So the chatbot respond, say that one more time, or missed it, or what was that? I didn't say what you want to say. So for the start the conversation, you can say anything for start the conversation what you want, like hi, hello, assalamu alaikum, hi. So I just want to start my conversation with hi. So here is the like poster or the logo of the organization from where you want to book your tour. So here's a greetings and the one question: how can I help you get information, or you want to just book your tour? So I don't want to get information. I just want to book tour. So here's a question: which city you want to visit? So I add four cities. You can add more: Lahore, Mari, Islamabad, Naran, Karan. So I want to visit Islamabad. There are the some famous places of the Islamabad, like Faisal Mosque, Mushkil Top, and so many. So there is a two buttons. The price for one person to visit that particular place, and if you want to visit this place, uh, click on button now. So for book the tour, you have to answer some of these questions. What's your good name? So my good name is Mustafa. What's your city? My city is. The second question is how many members do you have? I have three members. What's your phone number? My phone number is. Like on which day you want to travel? Okay, I want to travel on 20 September 2022. Another question is about on which time you want to start your tour. I want to start my tour at like 10 p.m. So here is the final confirmation message like respected Mr. Your name is this, you are from Gujranwala, you have these members, your phone number and all that. And the last your tour is booked. You can receive your ticket after the payment from our branch. Have a great day. So this is all about the demo. So I will show how I make it. This is the intents, welcome intent, the city intent of every city: Lahore, Islamabad, Naran, Kagan, Mari. So here is the book now. In welcome intent, I just like some of the expressions: hi, hello, and in the responses, I add this quick questions and this picture. And the some of the like Mari intent, I add pictures of Marie and some of the important information about book now and the price of this. And in the book now tour, I add some of the parameters like name, city, number, phone number for asking the information of the user. So here is the final message about like the confirmation message.